Hello everyone, welcome to ecBill. In this video we'll see how to make stock clearance entry or stock checking. First we'll see what is meant by stock clearance entry. It is used to auditing the product stock quantity like POS Software. Let's get start with video now. Go to transactions, under that select stock clearance entry. Once open, first clear process. Here you can select any particular item or select multiple items to be cleared. You can also use the group, location and make and go down filter options. Now stock loaded successfully. You will get the list of items. In that, enter number of items wants to clear column. You can make by using scan option also. Suppose if we get red color means, it telling that we have more stock in hand than the stock which is available in software. Make correct selection of stock for the items. Once process done means, give adjust stock. Now stock adjustment process completed successfully. And then give clear entry to make sure that clear all entries that were processed already. Now all selected entries cleared successfully. We can able to see the stock clearance or adjustment which is done from list of items. Thank you.